Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Domo, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Domo homepage. Once the page loads, look for the sign up button prominently displayed. Click on the sign up button to proceed to the registration page. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type your email address into the designated field. Next, create a secure password for your account. Ensure your password meets the specified requirements for security. After entering your password, confirm it by typing it again in the next field. Scroll down to the section that asks for your organization name. Enter the name of your company or organization into the appropriate field. Look for the checkbox that confirms you agree to the terms of service. Check this box to acknowledge your agreement. Once you have filled in all the required fields, click the Create Account button. Wait for the system to process your registration. You will then receive a verification email at the address you provided. Open your email inbox and locate the verification email from Domo. Click on the verification link within the email. This will redirect you back to the Domo platform. You may be prompted to log in with your newly created credentials. Enter your email address and password to sign in. Once logged in, complete any additional profile setup steps as prompted. Explore the Domo dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. Now you are ready to start using Domo for your data management needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.